If you're thinking about becoming a life coach in Australia, you've probably already noticed something. There is a ton of information out there, and a lot of it's really confusing, and most of it's contradictory. Some people say you need a specific qualification, others say you don't need anything. Some courses cost 500 bucks, some courses cost 50 grand. So today, I want to cut through all of that and I want to give you a really clear, honest, step by step guide to how you can become a professional coach here in Australia in 2026. My name's Glenn Murdoch from the Life Coaching College. We've trained 5,000 coaches now across Australia and around the world. I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to understand is that there are two completely different markets for life coaching in Australia. There's the unregulated market. Anyone can print a business card, call themselves a life coach, no qualification required. And some people absolutely do this and they make money. Then there's the professional market. This is where corporate lies. It's where you get corporate clients, executive coaching, high-paying individuals that are hiring coaches. And this is the market that really does have standards. It usually expects accreditations from the International Coach Federation. It expects demonstrated competency, and it pays a lot more money. If you want to build a real, sustainable, high-income coaching career, you're aiming for the professional market, and that requires proper training. The International Coach Federation, the ICF, are the gold standard for the coaching profession. They don't run courses themselves. What they do is they audit and accredit coaching schools to ensure that the training meets global standards. When you graduate from an ICF-accredited program, you can apply to the ICF for individual credentials at one of three levels: ACC, PCC, or MCC. Now, at the Life Coaching College, we offer both level 1, level 2. Level 1 is in our practitioner program. Level 2 is in our diploma program. And if you want to go further, our master practitioner is an elite specialization pathway. Here's something I want to be really direct about. You simply can't become a great coach by watching videos and reading textbooks. You just can't. Coaching is a live, interpersonal skill. You need to practice it with real human beings. You need to make mistakes. You need to get feedback. You need to develop your instincts. And this is why TLCC's training model, which is built around a little online, a lot of face-to-face, lots of immersive practice. In our training rooms, you will coach. You'll be coached. And you'll have a master trainer watching you, giving you direct, immediate feedback. Most of our students say the same thing. They thought they got coaching until they got in the room. And then they realized that there is so much more for them to learn. And they love it. It's a lived experience and it bridges the gap between theory and capability. Now, basic coaching is where we're asking good questions, setting goals, creating accountability, and it's a solid foundation, but it's not enough to handle the full complexity of human challenges. The coaches who get the best results and who command the highest fees are the ones who understand how the mind works at a much deeper level. Now, at TLCC, we integrate NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, directly into our core curriculum, which is the diploma. And NLP gives you a toolkit for working with limiting beliefs, emotional patterns, subconscious blocks. These are the things that stop people from making the changes they say they want to make. Most coaching schools don't include this, but it's one of the things that make TLCC grads significantly more capable in the room when they get a coaching opportunity. Now, the step that I think really most coaching schools tend to skip, and it's the reason so many talented coaches struggle to make a living, is the marketing side, that business side of coaching. You can be an extraordinary coach, but if you don't know how to find clients, how to have a sales conversation, how to package and price your services, how to work out your niche, how to work out what the product is going to be, you're going to struggle. At TLCC, business development is not an afterthought for us. It's built into the curriculum. We will teach you how to define your niche, how to position yourself with authority, how to have a discovery call, that sales conversation that doesn't feel like selling, how to build simple, sustainable client pipelines. Our graduates don't just leave as coaches, they leave as business owners. So what does the complete TLCC pathway look like? Well, it starts with the practitioner course, our ICF Level 1 program. This is your professional foundation. It's where you start. You get your core coaching competencies. This is where you'll learn your first 12 sessions. And we're happy to run this initial core bit online. And you can do that training over a couple of weekends, 4 days live. So it's absolutely live training. And then we'll also build in a complete mindset coaching course. We'll build in a course called Neuroabsorption Protocol, a little bit of an introduction to NLP and hypnosis, and we'll give you coaching opportunities. Normally that's over a whole day where you will coach other students and they will coach you. And the whole focus of that day is just practicing your coaching. Now that's your foundation. And we are comfortable with you to do that away from us as far as you can do that live online. But then we bring you back in and we bring you in to do your NLP training. We bring you in to do your hypnosis training. In that ICF Level 2 program, the Diploma of Coaching, we go deeper. You get the advanced coaching techniques, the techniques that we simply won't teach online. We need you in the room to do those trainings. They're the advanced coaching techniques. They're complex client scenarios that we talk about. And we also look at comprehensive business development. Now, in that program, that Diploma of Life Coaching program, we also have the complete positive psychology suite. So all of the key things to do with positive psychology, mindfulness, resilience, growth-based coaching, positive relationships, they're all in there. And for those who want to reach the absolute pinnacle of the profession, we've got a master practitioner program, which is our elite specialization pathway. And from the diploma, we add on a complete kids, parents, relationships training if you want to go down that niche. We add on a complete executive leadership program if you want to go down that niche. Now, you can go down both if you want, but you can have access to both. Then we go to mastery level in hypnosis, mastery level in NLP. And right at the top of that, we add in professional speakers training so that you are absolutely brilliant at being able to package up a talk and present that live in a room with potential clients at maybe it's a BNR or maybe it's a guest speech spot that you get. Each step builds on the last. Each step is globally recognized, and every step will involve real practical training. The vast majority of it face-to-face, but we will go through a pattern where we are apart. We bring you together, we send you apart, we bring you together. So the training actually runs like that. If you're serious about becoming a professional life coach in Australia, the next steps are really simple. Take our free 2-minute coaching superpower quiz. The link's in the description. It'll help you understand which coaching style suits your personality, maybe which TLCC pathway is going to be right for you. Or if you prefer, you can have a conversation, book a free chat with one of our team. No pressure, just a genuine conversation about whether coaching is right for you and whether we are right for you and whether you're right for us. I'll see you on the next video. You'll find those things in the description.